Now that's what I enjoy, is that stuff. Yeah.
I know all of y'all get tired of this, but please hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out. It doesn't cost you anything other than a couple of seconds of your time, and then you get notifications of whenever we upload new videos. What's going on, guys? Taylor here with Diamond State Off-Road. We're currently on Trail 40, turning onto Trail 21. Coming up on my left here is Tim Smith. We're riding with him and Spencer today, and we're taking off. And you can quickly see just how rocky this place is, and how much my YZ is just beating me up. Eventually, towards the end of this trail, actually at the end of it, I end up messing with some clickers and feel pretty good on the next trail. But halfway through 21, it gets a little bit better, less rocky, and it flows a lot better. And unfortunately, I apologize. I messed up on my camera angle, and when I'm standing up, you get to see a lot of the ground in my front fender.
And so long.
So we're finishing up Trail 21, and what I don't show is me going 3 clicks softer. And now we're fixing to pick up Trail 22 here. And with a little save, so with us coming up, talking to Tim here, saying 2 clicks softer would be better.
2 more, and I think we're good.
And I ended up doing 2 clicks softer, and that would make 5 overall in the day, and it made a huge difference. So we just gotten onto trail 23, which is the longest one out here, but you can link it with like trail 21 and 22, like what we did in the beginning, to make a little bit bigger loop. Alright, so we're getting ready to switch over to Spencer's GoPro here, and you can see me just flailing around, not having a good time. For whatever reason, me and the bike, we're not clicking for most of the day. And I was complaining about my suspension, and made a couple of clicker changes, and that really made a big difference. But overall, was definitely not used to riding the bike compared to my 450. So we finally gathered it up eventually.
Now that's what I enjoy, is that stuff. Yeah.
I think this was one of the few times I've led all day, and then right here Spencer clips that tree, doesn't go down, so good save on his part. So Spencer got a little crossways here and gets going up the hill, and then I get the bike started.
What, terrible?
And the big pine tree up here that I tangle with, I don't know why, but the last 2 times on this trail I've hit this tree. And unfortunately this time I hit it and elbowed myself in the ribs, and I'm editing this 2 weeks later and my ribs still hurt. And this is everyone's favorite part of the day, Truck Hill. Tim's going, and at about this time, I'm getting ready to take off here. And I thought he had already made it past the tough spots. And I was wrong. He was just getting to them. And Spencer and I take off and get stuck behind Tim here real quick. I'm sitting around here, we're both kind of just waiting around. Tim finally gets going, and I get up past the first part that Tim was stuck on, and then we're all sitting here, still stuck. So Tim gets going, and then I'm yelling at Spencer to duck his head because it's Rocky. Didn't want to roost him too terrible. At this point in the day, I was really over kickstarting this bike.
Oh, this is getting old. Awful way to end a ride. Ride was great. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. We had a great time, other than Spencer having to air up a tire.